Soup, it's one of those fall comfort foods. I have fresh squash from the garden and onions and some chicken stock, and I'm going to blend that all together now that it's cooked down and make a nice smooth blend. Then I will add some coconut milk and seasonings and have a wonderful dish. I can use some grain-free chips and some sour cream for dressing on top, or even some cheese grated would be fun. Maybe some bacon bits. There's lots of things that you can top this soup with because it's versatile. And when I get done, because it's a lot of soup, I just put some in some jars, and I will put a couple of jars in the freezer for later. Here's my coconut milk. Just going to add that in, make it a nice creamy soup, and make it very enjoyable and very nutritious. I hope you have time to make up a big pot of soup today. It's one of the things that we really enjoy. I also made some keto brownies to go with this, so we have dessert, we have soup, and we will enjoy our meal. Thanks for coming along as we get into the kitchen and bake something yummy for the fall season. If you want to brighten up the flavor, add some citrus. I'm adding a little bit of lime to my soup just to brighten the flavor a bit and bring out those overtones of the seasoning. We're going to add some salt and pepper, and this is some seasoning salt from Redmond's, and mix that all together with the coconut milk and squash, and yummo. My mouth is watering. I'm also going to make some peach protein in the Ninja Creamy, so that'll go with the brownies. Yum.